Sir Topham Hatt stood before the sheds, looking grim. The roads had taken all the passengers, business was lost with the Midland region, and the mail service terminated. The branchline had shut down under Beeching's orders. What was to become of Neville?
Please, sir! You wouldn't send me for scrap, would you?
I would never dream of sending an engine to its demise, especially not one in its prime, but I have no room for you. That said, I wish you the best of luck, and I'm sorry I can't keep you.
Understood, sir. Thank you. I can't understand it, Edward. Ever since I rolled out of Brighton Works, misfortune has plagued me. First there was the war, then my PTSD, and now I'm on the chopping block. I cannot go home, Edward. I'm not safe there. BR cuts us up, and the diesels that replace us are murderous bullies.
Edward thought long and hard. He remembered when the fat director had been kind enough to give Henry a second chance despite his faults. He was generous, but BR turned a blind eye to steam traction. Modernization was key to them, and yet their priorities seemed skewed.
I understand, and so do the other engines. When Donald and Douglas came here, Douglas was a stowaway. Donald couldn't bear the thought of his brother going for scrap. We've even had bad experiences with diesels ourselves. You know, the Northwestern Railway has been left to its own devices for nearly half a century, and Sir Topham Hatt doesn't care about modernizing his pride and joy. Why would BR start modernizing Sodor now? Why can't they be like Sir Topham Hatt? BR does not have the same views as he does. But he gave Beeching a tongue lashing, and he'll leave Sodor alone from now on. It's a pity you can't stay. You've been a great help to us ever since you first arrived, but Sir Topham Hatt can't save everyone. Although, we cannot be sure that you will be scrapped. The chance of survival does not come for everyone. I heard that my classmates started being cut up this year. All it took for one withdrawal was a broken cylinder. But there are many preservation societies like the Bluebell Railway. They're sympathetic to engines in need. You might find a home in this dark period. How will I know if a chance comes? Trust me, you will know. Thank you, Edward. I'm going to miss Sodor. Working on this famous island has given me my fondest memories. You, your colleagues, and your controller have become great friends. Even if I don't make it, at least I have Sodor to think about in passing. There truly is nothing quite like it. We'll miss you too, Neville.